Luna is paired with USDT, which means that if you want to buy Luna, you need USDT. But sometimes we don't have USDT. We might have another altcoin like Tron. If you want to know how you can still use another altcoin to buy Luna, then I'm going to demonstrate this in this video using the Bitmart exchange. If you're interested, let's hop into the video. Once you're logged into your Bitmart mobile app, this is how it's going to look. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down here where it says trade. You're going to click on that button. It's going to bring you to a new page. You can see where it says buy. So you go to where it says BTC/USDT. You click on that, and then it's going to bring you to another page. So on this page, you're going to see that little circle there. You're going to tap on it. That's going to bring you to another page. This is where you'll be able to type in the coin or the altcoin you want to use to buy USDT. Okay, so TRX in this case, or Tron. So we select that. That brings us to this page. So what we're gonna do now is to sell Tron to get USDT. Okay, you can see where it says limit. You're gonna click on that little icon there to select the market. So when you click on that, you can see that it's already imported. You can see 100%, 25%, 50, 75. So that simply means the quantity of TRX that I want to sell. As you can see, it says 290 up there. So I'll just hit the sell button and I would sell 290 TRX token. Now, what I'm gonna do is to use the USDT I got from selling those TRX tokens to buy Luna. So to do this, we're going to go back to the home page, and once we're here, we'll go down to the bottom here where it says trade and click the TRX/USDT icon there. That's going to bring us to this page. So here we're going to search Luna. Okay, so I'm going to type Luna. So Luna is typed now. So what we're going to do is we're going to select Luna/USDT. And that's going to bring us to this page. So what we're going to do is to buy Luna, as you can see. So make sure you select the market order, except you are an advanced trader. If you know how to use the limit order, then you might want to do that. Okay, so if you do not have clear understanding on how to use the limit order, make sure you just simply use the market order. Using the market order simply means you are buying at the market price at the moment of purchase. Okay, so what you're going to be doing right now is to simply select the quantity of your USDT you want to use to buy Luna. So in this case, we're using 100%, which means all of my USDT tokens. If I click the buy button, and I'll be able to buy Luna tokens. Okay, so this is exactly how you can use TRX to buy USDT, and then in turn use the USDT to buy Luna tokens. Okay, so down here we can see it says order placed, and this is how it's done. If you go back to the home page and go to where it says assets, you'll be able to see the tokens you just bought. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel for more interesting contents like this. This is BrigsLBs, and this is your guy Ken signing out.